Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make another card using this fun collection, and specifically this die. This is the HBD balloon dies, and the collection is called Age to Perfection. Now, we're gonna start with a panel of seaside color cardstock, and I'm gonna add some extra blue using Mermaid Lagoon. I'm blending the colors with this super soft and large Spellbinders brush that give you a very smooth result. I love it. And what I'm gonna do, just I'm gonna glue it directly to my card base. Now the panel is size 3 3/4 by 5, so it's ½ inch smaller than A2 size. So that will leave me a nice little borders around. There you go. Now I'm gonna try to center it. Perfect. And I will let it dry for a little while. There you go. Now I die cut 2 pieces of white cardstock with using the cloud die, and I'm gonna stamp my sentiment just in on top of one of them. So this one is the super fun stamp set, the part of the collection, and is full of hilarious sentiments. This one says, "Old enough to know better, but young enough not to care." And I think I know the right person that is gonna enjoy this card. Now I'm gonna glue down my first layer of clouds. They are die cut out of watercolor cardstock, so it's a bit textured. That's why I had to stamp a few times. And my second layer, I'm just gonna pop it up with some foam. I put some foam square behind my balloons as well. So, and then they're colored with distress ink. So we've got pink H for happy, uh, a teal B, and a yellow D. That is, those are my way to go colors, as usual. I really, probably I'm really boring with my color choices. You saw this combination many times. I don't even think, I just grab the colors. I was like, okay, I'm gonna use this and this and that. And then without thinking, like, I don't know, I need to change, probably. Now I'm trimming a little bit the balloon cords because they're a bit too long. So just trimming a little bit, and I'm just gonna insert below, just behind, tucking in behind the balloon and the cloud, between the clouds. This one as well, I need to cut it, maybe, yeah, a little bit. Make it easy if I cut it, I think. Oh, I didn't this one, okay. Just trying to complicate my life a bit more. But yeah, it can be tucking in there without no problems. Perfect. And now the third chord, they're all different, those ones. I think they're 3 different type ones. A little bit of glue behind, and remove the excess. I think I put too much. That's it. Okay, for a bit of shiny, I mean to give the effect of the balloon, you know, the shine of the balloon, I just add with my white Uniposca some white highlights, and I'm following the embossed detail from the dies, so it comes already with the embossed details, so you know exactly where to put your reflection. So it's pretty easy. No need to think too much. There you go. Just gonna go over again on top just to be more white. And the card is done. That was super easy and super quick. I hope you like it. And I will, oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. I had a couple of gems as well. And I think I'm using the cloudy ones. This one is the Essential Crystal Mix, and they come with some cloudy one and some very shiny one. So I'm using the cloudy one in this instant. And just a couple because it's a birthday card after all. You need a bit of shiny. And there you go. And the card is done. Finished. I hope you like it, and I will list down below the collection because it's super fun if you might be interested. And I will see you next time with a new card. Thank you again. Bye.
I find peace in the paper and the past. With every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul.